Hello, Tony here from TECARVR. Here's a stat you won't forget. AI is projected to add 15.7 trillion to the world economy by 2030. To put that into perspective, that's more than the economies of China and India combined. And no, this isn't a distant forecast. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is, are you ready for it? We're living through a once-in-a-century shift. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we work, shop, travel, learn, and even how we make decisions. This isn't just another automation trend. It's a complete transformation of how society operates. Whether you're a student, an office worker, a content creator, or a CEO, AI will change your role, your tools, and your value. In today's video, we'll explore what this revolution means, where it's already happening, and how you can stay ahead instead of being left behind. Let's start with the biggest concern on most people's minds: job loss. Unlike the industrial revolutions of the past, AI isn't just targeting physical labor. It's going after mental labor too. We're already seeing tools that write emails, generate legal contracts, produce artwork, and analyze data faster than human professionals. Jobs in customer support, marketing, accounting, and even software development are being automated. And yes, even AI models can now generate working code. According to Goldman Sachs, around 300 million jobs globally could be affected by this wave of automation. That's nearly the population of the US. Let that number sink in. But job loss is just the tip of the iceberg. There's the issue of privacy. AI models are trained on massive datasets, often including personal information, private conversations, images, and voice recordings. The more AI learns, the more it knows about you, sometimes more than you realize. Then there's the issue of ethics. AI doesn't just reflect human bias, it amplifies it. Biased training data can lead to discriminatory decisions, like rejecting job applicants, denying loans, or misidentifying individuals in facial recognition systems. We've already seen this play out in real-world cases, and because AI works in a black box, it's often hard to understand or challenge the decisions it makes. And worst of all, governments and laws haven't caught up. Tech is moving fast, but regulation is lagging. So right now, we're in what many experts are calling a tech Wild West. But don't get discouraged, because there's another side to this revolution. AI isn't just about risk, it's also about immense opportunity. In healthcare, AI is saving lives. It can detect early signs of cancer in medical scans, help develop new drugs faster, and support overworked doctors by analyzing patient records in seconds. Startups are even building AI-powered virtual assistants to support elderly patients and help manage chronic conditions. In finance, AI fights fraud, manages investments, and personalizes financial advice. Major banks now rely on AI to detect suspicious activity, approve loans, and forecast market trends, with higher accuracy and less risk than traditional methods. In education, AI tutors offer personalized support, adapting to each student's learning style. Students can now access 24/7 help, instant feedback, and custom learning paths that match their pace, all powered by machine learning. In transportation, AI powers self-driving vehicles, predicts breakdowns, and optimizes traffic patterns in real time. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are already testing autonomous fleets, while smart cities are using AI to manage congestion and reduce pollution. Even in agriculture, AI drones monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and detect plant diseases early, helping farmers increase yields while conserving resources. And then there's the stuff we use every day. From Spotify playlists and YouTube suggestions to voice assistants and smart homes, AI is already everywhere. So the big question becomes, how do you adapt? First, drop the fear and build your curiosity. AI isn't just for tech experts. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, Notion AI, and Synthesia make advanced technology accessible to anyone with a laptop or phone. You don't need to be a developer. You just need to be willing to try. Second, use AI to amplify your skills, not replace them. Let it do the repetitive stuff. Let it draft your emails, summarize your meetings, sort your documents, and transcribe your videos. That frees you up to focus on the things that truly require human creativity and strategy. Third, move fast. Don't wait for a formal course or a company policy. People who are experimenting with AI now, in any field, are getting ahead. They're more productive, more innovative, and more valuable to their teams. Fourth, if you're running a business, start small, but start now. Use AI for customer service, content creation, internal training, or data analysis. Even just automating meeting notes or social media captions can save hours. But finally, always think about ethics. Ask where your AI tools are getting their data. Be honest with your audience or customers. And make sure your systems don't reinforce bias or ignore fairness. AI is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. Let me give you a few real-life examples. A high school teacher in the US uses AI to personalize lesson plans, adapt tests for different students, and generate creative project ideas. All in less time than it used to take to grade papers. A freelance video creator uses AI tools to generate scripts, create voiceovers, and edit short clips, allowing them to produce 5 times more content without hiring an editor. A small e-commerce business uses AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries 24/7, freeing up their team to focus on product development and strategy. These aren't big tech firms. These are regular people and small teams using AI to punch above their weight. So what's the bottom line? AI isn't a trend. It's a tectonic shift. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's here to stay. If you're adaptable, curious, and willing to evolve, this revolution won't replace you. It will reward you. But if you ignore it, you risk being left behind. So, what do you think? Is AI the opportunity of a lifetime, or something to be worried about? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to go deeper, check out our next video, How to Prepare for the AI-Driven World. It's linked right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Stay smart. Stay future ready. This is TECARVR.